Hey guys, JBuild's back with another quick video on my table saw fence system. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how simple it is to install a tape measure into the front rail, which will make your life much easier when using the fence. Most of the metallic adhesive backed measuring tapes out there are a 1/2 inch wide, which technically can work for this, but I prefer to use the 1/4 inch wide tapes as they give me full view of all the lines. And I'll post a link for you guys in the comments to the exact one that I'm using here in this video. The hardware that I used were two 10-32 screws along with standard T-nuts. I used a center punch to mark where I was going to drill my 2 holes. Then using a 9/64 drill bit, I carefully drilled a hole on each end of the measuring tape, making sure that I wasn't putting too much pressure on the drill. It's important to just let the drill do the work because you're drilling a small hole, and take your time. Once I had the holes drilled, I installed the left side screw first and the T-nut and loosely fitted it in place. To calibrate the tape, I set my fence exactly 2 inches from the blade. I then moved my tape to align with the 2-inch mark on the fence and then tightened down the screw. One thing to note is that for the other side, I did mount the tape on the bottom T-slot so the screw won't be in the way if I wanted to remove my fence. I did use an extra T-nut under the tape at the end to make sure that the tape stays at the same height. So the other option that you have, instead of installing a measuring tape like this, and some of my customers have done this as well, is to install a digital readout such as the Wixie WR-700. This can be done pretty easily as you see here in the pictures. You basically just mount the guide rails for the Wixie to the bottom T-slot on the front rail. So there you have it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this quick video, and I do appreciate all the support and feedback you guys have been giving me. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.